So hello angels, we're going to Macau. So yung sinakyan namin guys papuntang HZMB Port going to Macau is Tesla. Syempre guys, first time natin makasakay ng Tesla. So makikita nyo guys, naninibago pa talaga si Justin dyan because yung passenger seat is nasa left while yung driver is nasa right. While in the Philippines, diba guys, yung driver is nasa left and the passenger is on the right. So we stayed in Disney Hollywood Hotel in Lantu Island. I don't know if Lantau or Lantu. Basta yun. As you can see guys, Lantu Island is basically puro bundok and parang nature siya guys compared to Mongkok Central and Chimchatsu. So we arrive at HZMB Port going to Macau. As you can see guys, maganda talaga yung port nila, parang airport siya guys. Pagpasensyahan nyo na guys yung camera kasi malamig dyan that time. So medyo naging foggy siya. Pagpasok namin guys, dito na kami bumili ng octopus card and withdraw some cash, and after that pumunta kami ng immigration, and after immigration bumili kami ng bus ticket going to Macau. And ang kagandahan dito guys sa port nila kasi hindi ka maliligaw kung saang bus ka sasakay, and parang airport siya diba guys, and very clean. And we arrive at Macau Port. Grabe yung mga escalator nila guys. Ang dami! Before kami lumabas ng port guys, of course, pumunta kami ng immigration first. And what we love about Macau guys is they have free shuttle buses guys. So yung bus na sinakyan namin guys is going to MGM. Search nyo na lang sa Google guys kung anong route ng free shuttle buses nila kasi lahat naman yon andun. So bumaba na lang kami guys sa MGM Cotai Resort para makapaglibot. So pagkatapos namin maglibot dyan guys, paglabas namin makikita nyo yung iconic giant lion nila guys. And also guys, Macau is also a city of dreams. So naglakad-lakad lang kami guys kasi malapit lang yung Londoner dito. Ang feeling na fresh yung hangin dyan guys, pero yung mukha ko parang hindi fresh. So sa likod lang pala ng MGM yung Londoner guys. And paglabas namin sa Londoner guys, welcome to Parisian! Nan kalapad sang alagyan, kabungguanay pa kamo. Paglabas namin guys, you can see the Parisian Tower. Super ganda! So ito pala yung labas ng Londoner guys, para talagang nasa London ka. Yung architectural design ng building is super nakakamangha. Nagpicture lang ako dyan ng mabilis guys kasi hinahabol lang namin yung time namin. So nilakad lang namin dyan guys papuntang Venetian. So if may nakita na kayong parang bridge or overpass, meron dyang elevator Sumabay na kayo sa mga tao dyan guys kasi for sure dyan din sila pupunta. Doon din naman yung way papuntang Venetian. To make sure guys, always check your Google Map. Tignan nyo guys yung view sa baba, super ganda at ang linis. Lumabas muna kami dyan guys kasi dito yung picture spot ng view ng The Londonier. So pagpasok namin sa shops at Venetian, grabe, sobrang ganda talaga sa loob guys. Para kang nasa Italy. Hindi nyo ma-appreciate sa video pero kapag andun kayo guys, sobrang nakakamangha talaga. Welcome to Grand Canal! So, naghanap na kami ng makakain dyan guys kasi lunchtime na yan that time. And sobrang daming choices guys. So, inikot talaga namin dyan lahat. And ang napili namin is itong Hong Kong cuisine kasi syempre may rice. Ang laki ng serving nila guys, masarap pero hindi namin bet na bet kasi syempre hindi naman kami sanay sa mga pagkain nila and napasobra kami sa rice guys. Ayan tuloy, hindi na maubos. So after namin kumain guys, nag-taxi kami papuntang the ruins of St. Paul. So pagbaba namin sa taxi, tumawid kami at naglakad papuntang Senado Square. Dito sa Senado Square guys, so makikita nyo dito yung Macau General Post Office, Leal Senado Building, St. Dominic's Church. Dami ding nagbebenta ng souvenirs like ref magnets and keychain. Before kami makarating guys, ang dami ditong mga tao at ang dami din nagbebenta ng pasalubong. At alam nyo ba na ang saya dito guys kasi madaming free taste. Siguradong pagkarating nyo doon ay busog na kayo. At ito na ang the ruins of St. Paul guys. This is one of the UNESCO World Heritage Site. Nagpicture lang kami dito guys at nag-ikot lang kami ng kaunti. After that, nag-taxi kami papuntang Macau Outer Ferry Terminal. We ride a turbojet going to Hong Kong Central because our next destination is Pic Tram. Thanks for watching. Bye!